Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Latest in Beauty. So if you want to see what I choose in my Latest in Beauty August 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup spoiler of subscription boxes, and now I'm doing lineup spoiler of advent calendars and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, today we're unboxing my Latest in Beauty. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £12.95 plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95. But if you subscribe to them for over 3 months, you will have free delivery, so it will cost you only £12.95. For all info and prices, up in the description box below. So yes, this month it's quite different box from Latest in Beauty. They usually have the plastic one, but now they have a box, which is I prefer, and then you can open in here. I prefer more like this. I feel like the box is more sturdy. You open it and you got already the items. 100% prefer this one. It's more sturdy, and then when you open like this, lovelies, it says Latest in Beauty, my beauty discoveries. Every month, lovely, you can choose 6 items from their beauty counter, from skincare to makeup. We have all the shredded paper. So the first product that I choose is from Noti, 97% natural, the booster skin tightening body moisturizer, no parabens, no sulfates, no silicone, cruelty free and vegan friendly. And this one has 250 ml. This is a full size product, and the packaging smells nice already. And here it says, this stimulating body moisturizer is specially formulated with a unique blend of skin tightening ingredients which work alongside caffeine, recognized to improve micro recirculation, to form and tone skin, enriched with grapeseed and sweet almond oil. Skin is left soft and smooth. So yes, it doesn't have the seal, so we can try it. So it looks like this. I don't even know if you can see it, but yeah, it smells like grapes. It smells nice though. Smells really nice. Very moisturizing one, definitely. Very thick consistency. Yes, smells really nice. I don't even know why I show you, lovelies, but smells really nice. So thumbs up. And then the other product that I choose, it's from the same brand, Noti, and this is the booster skin toning and firming body serum with grapeseed oil and Indian collues. And no paraben, no sulfate, no silicone, cruelty free, vegan friendly. And this is the product. Yeah. Hope you can see it, lovelies. It says, time for a boost, a concentrated body serum that helps to firm, tone, moisturize dull, tired and cellulite prone skin with Cella Active shape, a powerful skin conditioning blend which helps to improve the appearance of cellulite, absorb quickly and easily, enriched with grapeseed oil and caffeine, helping to stimulate microcirculation, tighten and smooth. So yes, I think they have the same scent. Yeah, they have the same scent, and yeah, it's like a gel one, lovelies. And then the next one I choose, and this is a big product too, and this is from Neil's Yard Remedies, frankincense intense hydrating essence, visibly smooth, condition and refine, 24-hour hydration. And yes, this is the product. And it says, apply morning and evening to cleanse skin, and add few drops in the palm of your hand and take a moment to inhale the aroma. Using your fingertips, gently glide over the face and slowly pat until absorbed. Lately, I'm using Essence before my serum. I really saw some difference using Essence. And yes, I'm using the one that I've got in Stylevana, just this one, the Secret Key. As you can see, it's halfway through, and I love this product. So I will try this. And I never tried Nails Yard product before. I heard a lot of this brand, but I never tried products from this brand, and I love the bottle. It's so fancy and in glass. And this one has 100 ml. I'm pretty sure this is a full size. And it says, enhance your beauty routine with a luxurious layer of hydration, prepping skin for improving performance of treatments that follow, providing up to 24 hours of hydration. Skin will look smoother, feel softer, and more refined, with radiance restored for a naturally glowing complexion. So yes, I'll try it and then I will let you know. And then the next product I choose is from Soothe Skin Purifier. Protects skin from pollutants and impurities, prevent breakouts, and promotes rapid recovery. So here we go. It has I am not sure, but I'm sure this is a full size. So this is the product inside. Packaging, it reminds me of the Alpha H1, which is I love the toner one. And yes, this is the product. It has 100 ml and it's a 7 benefits in one groundbreaking product. Use advanced Soothe plus hypochlorous technology to purify, cleanse, soothe, balance, and protect, calm, and recover. I will try this too, and then I'll let you know. It's in spray, so you just need to pop it in all over your body. Let's try it. It smells like swimming pool. I'm not kidding, but it smells like that. It feels refreshing, to be honest. And it smells like swimming pool. But yeah, I will try more this one, then I will let you know. And then the next product that I choose, I thought I didn't choose this one, but I chose, so I'm happy that I got this one. And this is from Brilliance Manuka Honey Face Mask. And this is a one-of-a-kind hydrating treatment mask for dry and sensitive skin. So apply to clean dry skin, leave on for 10 minutes, remove with warm, damp, clean cloth. I never heard from this brand. The claim is really good. So yes, let's try this. And then the other one that I choose is from Dragonfly CBD cannabidiol oil. I hope I pronounce it properly. And this is the 500 mg per bottle, and I have in peppermint. And this one was released last month, but I was really curious to try. So here we go, the inside. And it says shake well before use, using the piped administer oil under the tongue. Hold for 2 minutes to maximize absorption before swallowing. Oh, it swallow. I thought it will be like oil on your face. But yeah. And we recommend starting with a 5-drop serving, then varying as required. Do not exceed 80 drops per day. So yes, here we go. I don't know if I'm gonna try this one, because to be honest, lovelies, something to put inside my body I don't really trust, to be honest. And because I'm quite sensitive with medicine, so I don't know if I'm gonna try that one. Lovelies, that's all, as you can see. But this month also, if you're a member to Latest in Beauty, they have a freebie. You will receive mini products from Cetaphil, and these are Daily Defense Moisturizer. It has a SPF 50+, which is a thumbs up, and it's really a good size to bring with you everywhere. You have 3 of these. These are light texture. It says protects with broad spectrum UVA UVB filters and hydrates the skin, lightweight and easily absorbed. So that's all for my Latest in Beauty. What do I think of this month? Overall, I'm happy with my choices. 5 out of 6 products definitely I will use. It's nice to have some freebie. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. And you lovelies, what did you get in your Latest in Beauty this month? Let me know in the comment below. And if you want to subscribe to Latest in Beauty, I have the link down below. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.